how to remove another device in my Gmail account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove another device on your Gmail account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove another device from your Gmail account, open up the Gmail application as you would be able to find here. And once you launch the Gmail app, you will see this type of interface. Tap on your profile photo from the top right hand side, then go to the option called Manage Your Google Account. Once you go to Manage Your Google Account, you can simply go to this option right here known as Security and then tap on it. Once you go to Security, under it you'll find this little option that says Your Devices, then you'll find Manage All Devices. So tap on the Manage All Devices option here. Then once you go to Manage All Devices, you'll see a list of devices logged into your Gmail account. So to remove these devices from here, you can select that device here and then just tap on the Sign Out button, then tap on Sign Out to remove your Gmail account from these devices. This way you can remove your Gmail or Google account from those devices. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.